And for more on this, let's join Usara Wilaipich, the senior economist for Thailand at Standard Chartered. She's also the most accurate economist on Thai GDP, according to Bloomberg data. Many thanks indeed for joining us today. I must ask you first of all, the worst contraction since the financial crisis. How does this current situation shape up financially for the economy against 98?
Yes, I think the GDP results in Q4 just confirm the Bank of Thailand decision to have a cut rate by 2 times. As you know that the worst flood in several decades have disrupted not only the business activity but also manufacturing, production and export in the fourth quarter of last year. Going forward, I think we can hope for recovery in 2012, but the first half could be a bit sticky because of the fact that a return to normal production will take time. However, we are more upbeat on the economic prospect in the second half. I think the government measure to prevent future flood and also those measures to help industry and business affected by flood will help boost the economy in the second half. So we are still quite cautious on growth in the first half. So to summarize, we expect to see growth of this year around 3.5% below market consensus, partly because of our cautious about the global risk and environment. History suggests that Thai economy is quite sensitive to external demand. For 2010, for example, when we have the worst political unrest in 5 decades, but the Thai economy can expand very well. Yeah.
Sure. I'm just asking, interesting, a contraction of 9% here, you're forecasting growth of 3.5%. You do talk about the external concerns from Europe, for example, obviously the US as well, hitting exports again. Is not the growth forecast quite optimistic for the second half?
I think that the difference view could be on how market assess the global risk environment. For us, we are quite cautious on external demand, and the reserve requirement ratio cut in China also indicate a sign that demand for export from Thailand could be weakened as well. So risks to growth remain on the downside given external risks in my point of view.
Thank you very much for your time, and clearly a very encouraging forecast there for the second half of the year. Rish.